Ada, my sister, please can you give me some food to eat? I am very hungry. And there's no food in the kitchen for me.
Did I hear you? You have the guts to enter my mommy's kitchen. Mommy! Mommy!
Ada, calm down. I was only hungry.
Mommy! Oh!
I haven't eaten since yesterday, Ada.
Hey. Mommy!
Ada, again. Benji, what is it?
You can't just believe what my ear just heard now. In fact, tell her to tell you what she told me.
Abenuju, what did you tell my doctor?
I asked her to give me some food, that I am very hungry. Nothing else.
There's no hello. She said she entered your kitchen to look for food.
Eh? Abenuju, you entered my kitchen after all the warnings. Oh, you want to kill me and my family up here? What, Abenuju? You want to kill us, kill your parents up here?
Auntie, I didn't want to do that. Hey. I was very hungry.
Hungry, boy.
Nico.
If that's bit of poison.
Auntie, please.
Look at here. Sorry for yourself.
Auntie.
Taja. Eat sand. Join me. Eat sand. Ah! And what do you think you are doing? So you are not done with washing these small clothes. I give you 5 minutes. 5 minutes to be through with this washing. If you're not done under 5 minutes and I come back here and see you still washing these clothes, what I will do to you? Eh? What I will do to you? Onuku. You're holding your tummy. Rubbish. Anumpam.
Hey you, today should be the first and last day you collect dirty clothes in this house without coming to collect mine. Do you hear me? Anyways, as you already know, I'm more particular about the armpits and necklines of my clothes. So I don't want to see any dirty on them. Do you hear me? Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Nice. How did it go? Did he buy the land?
Do you tell from my countenance?
Tell me now.
Well, I'm just coming from the bank. As I speak with you now, we are 2.5 million naira richer.
Hey! Okay, nice. Hey! Nine. So we are now millionaires. Hey! Nine. Hey!
2.5 million and many more to come. Soon we are going to command respect in
I'm
this
telling you, Hey, Nine. It is good for some people to die so that others will enjoy. Before don't want, can also we may enjoy. Okay, what? Hey, Ogene, what are you staring at?
and allow her be. Don't allow her to spoil your joyful mood this afternoon.
Hey.
By the way, why is she sleeping this afternoon?
I told her to sweep. She can't stay idle. I don't want her to stay idle. So can I immediately let her sweep?
Daddy, now that you have plenty money, will you buy for me those clothes and other things I asked you to buy?
Oh, my angel, I will buy you anything. Everything that you ask of, I'm going to buy it for you. Just name it.
I want
I car. Oh,
by aeroplane.
No
problem.
Aeroplane.
It's all right.
Oh, it's good to be rich.
Mom, you're the best cook. I swear. Oh!
I told you now.
You need to go to
Oh.
You are the best mother.
Thank you very much. What is it? What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Auntie, please. I came to ask for forgiveness in any way I've offended you. Please. I am sorry for all the wrongdoings. Please. Just find it in your heart to forgive me. Auntie.
State your mission or get lost. What do you want?
I am hungry.
Mommy, she wants to eat.
Mom. The princess is now hungry.
She forgot to save some food for herself when she was busy enjoying extravagantly.
Exactly.
Oh, Chimo.
Nem, you are hungry. What to eat?
Yes, Auntie. See, even though it's little, I will manage.
What move? What is this now? What are you doing?
And I thank you. God will bless you.
Hey, come back here. You know Yenka. Where do you think you're going?
I'm going to the backyard to eat.
Come here. I will eat very well. Bring it down.
You're my daughter.
No, I'm not. Bring
Ah!
it down.
I not wanted to give her the
eat from
food.
your hands.
You know what? Oh. Why are you crying down? Don't poison that food with your tears. Shut your hand. Also, booty.
Bring it down.
You are hungry.
You remember that? Do you remember me that time?
Don't mind
she
that.
was in the city?
I
enjoying.
No, look like me.
Look at us. You want one name more.
Nonsense.
You want me? This is too sweet.
My daughter enjoy.
You need to go there.
My daughter enjoy. Man, Papa, she look at me.
Oh.
Smile.
Smile now. Eh? You don't have to smile again. Smile. One name wine. Hi.
Hey.
Hey. I'll give you the bone, okay? I'll give you the bone.
Hey.
Mommy, you made it for me now.
Ada,
Eh?
you know it wasn't intentional.
You're broken on this plate.
Mommy!
Mommy!
It wasn't intentional.
Eh? No.
Please don't report me to your mom.
Mommy!
Ada, what is this? Eh? Again?
This is what you do.
What happened? Chimo. Who did this?
Auntie, it wasn't intentional. Auntie.
Who did this?
Auntie, it's mommy. It wasn't intentional.
Uju, you broke my plate.
She intentionally did it.
No.
Uju,
No, Auntie.
you broke
Auntie,
my
no.
waiter. Uju.
Auntie, Auntie, I want to give you. Auntie,
You broke my plate.
no.
I will
Auntie,
kill you
it
and
wasn't
bury you
intentional.
today.
Oh, God, Auntie. Auntie, no. Auntie, please forgive me. Oh, God.
Uju,
Auntie.
come and tell me this.
Auntie, please. Auntie, don't give me.
I'll kill you today. You broke my plate. I will kill you and bury you today.
Please.
Uju.
Auntie.
You broke my plate up, yeah?
Auntie.
You broke my plate. I will kill you and bury you and nothing will happen.
Auntie.
Nobody will speak for you.
Auntie.
You die today. You will die.
Auntie. Father, Mother, why did you leave me alone in this world? Surrounded with a lot of people, yet wish I could be alone. Born to live among men, yet wish I am a tree in the bush. Born free into the hands of people that should love me, yet hatred like iron bars caged me against freedom. Look at my body. Bruises. The hand that should bless me now inflicts pain on me. I wish I died with my parents. Father, Mother, please come and take me.
What are you doing here? Eh? What are you doing here?
Auntie, please, I slept off.
You are sleeping here. Are you sleeping
Auntie, I slept off.
You slept off. Are you, go ahead, come on, get out. Come on.
Father in heaven, I know you are up there. You made me. And you said in your holy book that your plans for me are for good, not for evil. I know this is not part of your plan for me. God, come and confirm your word. My spirit is down. I'm in pain with no one to run to. The world has failed me, but I know you will never fail me. My parents always teach me to cling to your promise. This was the last gift from my mother, and I've tried to live from the word of that I have read. Isaiah 41:17. Your word says, when the poor and the needy seek water, and there is none, and there is lungs filled for taste, I, the Lord, will heal them. I, the God of Israel, will never forsake them. And in Deuteronomy 31:6, be strong and of a good courage. Fear not, not be afraid of them. For the Lord your God, He is, He doesn't go with you. He will not fail you, nor forsake you. The word of the Lord. Oh God. These words are confirmation that you will never fall or disappoint. My parents named me Obianoju, which literally means I came in abundance. I know it's a good name, but because of who you are, Lord, I changed my name to Shimamanda, because you will not fail or fall, and I believe you will see me through. This is my prayer through Christ, my Lord. Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Hope you remembered me. I was the guy that helped you with firewood the other day while you were coming back from the farm.
Yes, I do. Thanks for that day.
You're welcome.
Please, my name is Nobianuju. You can call me Chimamanda.
Sorry. Pardon my curiosity, Chimamanda. I was just trying to know whether if everything is okay with you.
I am fine. Thanks for your concern.
Sorry, you're not fine. The other day I saw you while coming back from the farm. You almost lost in tears. The same thing again today. What could be the problem?
Like I said, Jajike, I am fine.
You are not.
Okay. Red handed. Then we go. Oh! One, I slack. Okay. Come closer. Come. Yeah, jam one again.
Me, he was actually asking me a question.
Yeah, I was the person that helped her with firewood the other day while she was coming back from the farm.
So what's my business? Can you go to Bassam? So this is why you killed your parents, up here? So that you can roam about the village. You can sleep with all these dirty, stinking village boys, up here? Hey!
The son of Mazoko,
So I don't need that. I'm gonna be wow there. So this is what you do up here. So bad room. Ona, I cut the ungwa. Ona. You see you? Hey!
No wonder. This is what this girl has been passing through. All is well.
Go to bring shade. So let my family this house up, yeah? Would you give one? What's this? Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Nice. Nine. If this your cousin, I met her in the bush with one of her boyfriends.
What?
Doing what she knows how to do best.
Obianuju, as little as she is. Or Obianuju, has it gotten to that extent? Eh? That you sleep with men around the village?
No, uncle, I wasn't in the bush with anybody.
Obianuju, so you're calling me a liar?
Uncle, I wasn't in the bush with anybody. He was just asking me a question.
Obianuju, so you want to bring disgrace and shame to me in this village? Eh? Obianuju.
Obianuju.
Beat her up. I don't know where my brother got it.
In our boss, it's
Where?
This is a bad draw. You come and meet me here. You come back and meet me in this house.
No, don't worry.
And what fear?
Leave her. She will not run forever. Let's go inside.
Fuck all day. This is a bad draw.
You see, I really enjoy myself today.
Abi? I want to go to it.
Bad combination.
You never jam.
I've never seen this kind of palm wine in the city.
I swear. Mommy is denying us a lot.
Hey!
Is Mama smelling palm wine?
Is that a goosey soup?
I bought chewing gum now.
I know you did not brush. You push me. Come on, let's go.
Now.
You will not peace.
I will not peace. Hey. My peace is going inside.
Hey, bro.
I don't want to
see now. You know what I want to show you?
What? Hello, my friend.
What?
Please, relax.
Please don't hurt me, please.
No.
Please.
We are not going to
Please
hurt you.
don't.
Hey, don't shout. It go sweet.
Nobody go hear you.
You don't say. Eh? Have she grown to that level?
Yeah. She has grown, oh. She has grown beyond that. If that level, I'm even more surprised than you are. I didn't suspect anything until this morning.
Hey! What happened?
What happened?
What happened? Give me.
I saw Abenuju in the bush, making it out with her boyfriend. In fact, one of our boyfriends.
Small Abenuju.
Oh, see? It's a small Abenuju. Ne? That was small Abenuju. I took her home to discipline her. What Abenuju back? I'm paying it. You know what Abenuju did? Fiam! Obanaba. And since then, I've not seen her. Then I can look at the time now. Since morning, I didn't see Obaniju.
My goodness, this is bad.
Okay.
I mean, I've been here for 2 hours now, and I've not seen her too.
If you go near me.
Small girls of nowadays, where are they learning all this their bad attitude from?
Ah. Okay.
Mom, look, she's back.
Abenuju, what is it?
Is she okay?
No.
Ah, she's bleeding, oh! It's blood, oh! See blood, she's bleeding.
What?
Are you okay?
What is happening there?
What happened to you?
Is she okay?
Abenuju is bleeding.
Abenuju,
Abenuju, what is it now?
talk now, what is it? What happened? See blood, what's happened now?
Talk to me now.
That's what happened. Both of them ran off afterwards, leaving me there to die. I only managed to come back home with the last strength still remaining in me.
Hey! Abenuju, it's a seal. You can lie. After that, they will say Onyechi did this, Onyechi did that. I caught you in the morning. I brought you back home to caution you. What you did was to run off again and run back to that same boy. Because I am sure he was the one that did this to you. Okay? Hey!
Abenuju, who are these boys you claim they rape you? What are their names? Can you recognize them?
I don't know their name, Uncle, but I recognize their face. They said they came to visit their grandparents the day they accosted me on my way to fetch water. I didn't get their names.
Hey! You didn't get their name. They didn't tell you their name. But they told you they came to visit their maternal grandparents. Tell that to them, not me. I can't listen to that your nonsense. I don't believe you.
Okay. What are the names of these their grandparents?
I didn't get their names. One of them was actually talking to me, but I walked out on him.
Obianuju, look at the type of lies that is coming out from the mouth of a small girl like you.
Nah, it's a small girl. This one, you call her a small girl.
Obianuju, how can someone jump into telling you that they came to visit their grandparents without first of all introducing themselves to you? God used your auntie to save you from destroying yourself in the morning.
Ooh.
But you ran off to continue where you stopped. We will all wait to see the outcome of this. But mind you, whatever the outcome is, you are on your own.
No, I will not wait for the outcome. Obianuju must leave this house for me before she infests my daughter with her prostituting spirit. Obianuju Garapolomona, she must leave.
No, I understand you. But where do you want me to send this girl to? This is her father's compound. And
Get the mess here. And so what? So I should allow her stay in this house with this bewitching nature, so that she would bewitch my daughter. Up here? No, it will not happen. It's either she lives or I live with my daughter. Captain Nabada no Fobo. I cannot stay in this house with Obianuju again.
Sister Butsu. Butsu, sister. You can't just leave your matrimonial home just like that. There's always a solution to every problem.
Solution? What is the solution? Tell me the solution. Keta, tell me what is the solution? The only solution is her leaving my house for me.
Okay, sister. What if I take her along with me?
Omaka, better.
Then maybe she can find something useful to do with her life, right?
Omaka, that is the best solution so far. So when are you leaving?
Sister, that won't be a problem. As long as you and my in-law gives your consent.
You have my 100% consent. When are you leaving?
My in-law, what do you have to say, please?
Well, if you are sure you can live with her, you have my consent.
Of course I can live with her. Moreover, she's just a child, and I can always find a way to cut down her excesses.
So just a child. So when are you leaving?
Sister,
I don't want to see her again in my house.
Butsuo, Jini wanyo.
Yeah.
Uju? Obianuju? You go inside now and take your bath and sleep. Tomorrow morning we are leaving. Huh? Do you understand what I'm saying? You're still sitting like that. Just relax. I told you this is your house now. Okay? She wants it. Easy, yeah. I see what's happening here. So my sister have not been feeding you well in the village. You see how you're rushing this food? Easy, you will choke. Easy. I didn't even bring water for you. Poor girl. Bola. Hello, Bola. Yeah, how far? Yes, I'm just coming in from the village. Yeah, just now. Alpha. Yes, I'm around. You want to come? Okay. So, where are you now? Okay. Just hold on. Just don't come in. Wait for me. I'll meet you outside. I'll meet you outside. Don't worry. Okay. Later. Uju, I'm coming. I want to see someone. You're choking. You're choking. Okay. I'll go get water for you. Then after that, I will leave and go and meet the person and just answer the call. Okay. Sorry. Cambia. Okay. Easy. You choke. Huh? Do you want you? Take it easy.
Wait, Nkiruka, I don't understand. Why do you prefer we stand here instead of going to your house? Or you no longer want me to patronize you?
Bula. Why are you talking like that now? You know you're my best customer. I would never want to lose you.
Then what are we here? What are we doing here? Oh, wait, are you owing for rent?
Me owe for rent? Bula, don't insult me. No, I'm not owing for rent. But something came up.
Okay, what is that?
Let me see. I have a surprise for you.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow.
Hey, come.
Wow. That sounds so awesome.
I know you like it, bad boy.
So how is it going to be? How is it going to be now?
Okay, let's say we see later in the evening.
Okay.
You come to my house.
Exactly.
Okay, but Bula, it will cost you more than usual.
That's not a problem. You know what I can do?
I believe you.
Yes.
I believe you. You're too much. Okay. I have to get back home now.
Okay.
I'll see you later in the evening.
Chai, I can't wait. I can't wait. This one, though this one not been but this one set.
Who are you? What do you want?
Which way? What will be this one? I go manager.
What do you want from me?
Chai. See, they not tell you say na shower work you can't do. See this one.
Please don't do this to me. I'm still a child. Please.
This thing where they talk and a super story. See, I don't pay heavily for you. And see, you must satisfy me. Please. Better open the thing now. Let me just. That's all. See this one.
Please, I'm still a child. Don't do this to me.
Just joking.
No, Auntie!
Just relax. Okay, you'll be fine. Although you're feeling pain now, but the pain will eventually stop. And the pain you're feeling now is small pain, it's not small pain.
Auntie, why? Why?
Why what?
This wasn't what you promised me. You said you would help me.
So, what am I doing now? Elbianuju, what am I doing now? You should be happy I brought you from the village to the city so that you can use your God-given talent to make something out for yourself. You should be happy, you should be grateful I did that for you. You're making me seem like I'm a bad person, but I'm not a bad person. Baby girl. This is how it works. You have to pay for every single thing you enjoy. The bed you lay on, the food I give you to eat. Even this clothes you're wearing that I bought for you, you have to pay. Nothing is free. You have to work hard. You have to pay for everything that you enjoy. That's how it worked for me. That's how you see me. I'm able to, look fine and wear good clothes with all the enjoyment I've been giving that you've been enjoying, so that now you're making me seem like I'm a terrible person. Elbianuju. And please clean those your crocodile tears. And don't forget, my sister, she said she's not going to accept you back. So you have two choices. You either behave yourself or you live in the streets. And whatever happens to you in the streets, now you sabi. That's after I throw you out of my house, of course. If you continue behaving like this, I will definitely throw you out of my house. So better behave. And calm down and be a good girl that you are. Okay? Why are you still looking at me like that? Come on, stop with all the things. You're making me look bad. You're making me feel like seem like I'm a bad. I'm a very nice woman. I'm very, very nice. You're not supposed to be crying like that. Alright, come. Alright, come on, darling. Alright, come and sit down. You'll be fine. Okay? Fine. Stop crying. This is how it has been. No, this is it too. All this house, the maintenance, everything. That's how I've been paying for all my bills. So that is what you'll be doing now. This is your life. This is our life now. Okay? Come, stop crying. Clean it.
Is she the girl?
Yes. Do you like her?
I love her. This is doctor's prescription. 3 times every day.
I'm happy you like her. Hey, wait. Calm down, not so fast, please. Money. Wait, give me money.
You too like money. Can't you just allow me to test before payment? Eh? You too like pay before service. Let me just.
Okay, give me money first, I beg.
Money is not a problem.
See this man now.
Money is not a problem.
Customer. If you do like this, me, you will not be having issue.
See, I would like go to some, but I'll manage her for now.
You're a criminal.
Yeah, baby, I love you.
But please, take it easy with her. You know she's very new to the business, okay? Small.
Very soft. I promise. I will take it soft on her.
Enjoy yourself.
I'm coming for you.
Enjoy yourself.
Do you have Vaseline in this applicant on you?
No, there's no Vaseline. Don't worry. She has been doing it. Enjoy yourself.
I like it, Ducky.
Madam!
Alright, take this. It will help clean you up and help you get on your feet. And please try and take the drugs fast. A customer will be here in an hour time.
Auntie, please, I am very weak. I have had filming in less than 6 hours. Auntie, please, can I just rest for the rest of today?
Meaning? Now situation. Eh? Come Obianuju. It's like you're taking my kindness for granted. Eh? You know what? Henceforth, you will not argue with me. You will do what I say and when I say it. Do you understand? Do you understand? Please, be fast with your drugs and shift. Me too, I want to rest. Please, Bumi, please, I want to rest. Me too, I'm tired. Me too, I'm tired of attending to customers. Let me rest. Bumi, because I'm doing off man, come on.
This is more than I can bear. I can no longer continue like this. This woman will continue to use me to enrich herself if I remain here. I have to leave this place as soon as possible before things get out of hand.
Man, you poor one. Oh, look, I don't go. This man don't go. Chelsea. See. Who be this fine girl?
Please, you should not hurt me, please.
I will go hurt you. Me, I'll be remember now.
Please, I don't have anywhere to stay, please. For the sake of God, please don't hurt me.
I'm gonna take you very good. Don't worry. I'm not gonna touch you. Hold on. I want to take you very good. Hold on. I'm not gonna hurt you. You self, no go hold the girl. You go do. Give me that thing. Give me the craze.
Nah, keep quiet now.
I beg you.
Worry you now. Tomorrow still there. I will go see meet and here.
Tomorrow still there. No go better go see this guy.
This time now, relax now. The food go chop and go see chop the food.
Who is that? Obianuju?
Yes, auntie, it's me. Please come and open the door.
Here. Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming now. Hold on. Eh? Ujunwa. Auntie. What is it? Oh, what is inside? Huh? Eh? Where's your bag now? It's my story. Where's your bag? It's okay. You're welcome.
I ran out from Auntie Kiruka's house for the second time. I met a woman on my way and she took me in. I was really happy that I could find home again. She was really nice to me at first. I felt I had found home. Little did I know that I was being prepared for the same reason I ran away from Auntie Kiruka. When I found out, I was so devastated. I didn't know what to do. I wanted to run away, but I was being watched. She said I wasn't going to go anywhere until I pay every dime she has spent on me. I didn't have a choice. So finally, I joined prostitution full time. I hawked my body for a long time before I was able to pay up for the debt. And then I left. I had to gather money and enroll myself in the university. And here we are. The story of my life.
Very, very sad story. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry that you had to go through all of this. The rough parts of life at a very tender age, with no shoulder to lean on. We are all alone. Now I know. Now I know that all those tough fronts you were posing were just to cover up for all the pains you bottled inside. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry.
It is fine. Now I'm relieved. Because I've carried this burden in me for years without no one to talk to. I didn't have anybody to relate to. I haven't said it out now. The burden is lifted. And that makes me happy. I mean, I feel better.
I'm glad. I'm glad you feel that way. Chimamanda, you're a strong woman. It's actually not easy to fight all this all alone. It's just like being in the wilderness, struggling to survive. I'm inspired and also very pained, though you will not understand. Chimamanda, touch my heart. My heart beats for you. My soul beats for you. This heart is your home. Now I make this promise to you. I will do everything beyond my powers to protect you. I will do everything to give you a good life. I will never leave you astray. I will be there for you. I will be here for you. I will give you peace of mind. You changed your name to Chimamanda because you believe that your God will never fail you. But today, I call you Obianuju. Obianuju. Because you're back in affluence. I love you. I love you. I don't know how else to say it, but I love you.
I love you too. I love you more. You have been a source of blessing and joy to me since our path crossed. Yes, I gave myself the name Chimamanda because I believe that my God will never fail me.
Of course.
Even during all the trials and tribulations, I still believed. I had so much hope. And God knows everything. He brought you to me as a testimony to that. You've changed my life. You've brought back happiness that I've not had over the years. You know, from the very first day that I met you, I liked you as a person. With time, I started loving you, but I couldn't tell you because I didn't want you to turn me down. I didn't want to have false hope. Thank you so much, Okechukwu. Thank you for loving me against all odds. Thank you.
Thank you for all the joy you bring to my soul. I keep thinking what happened the first day. You see, normally I don't do prostitutes. Sorry to say that. But on that day, my ex left me. I really don't know what came over me. I said to myself, with all the anger, with all the pains, that I really have to. I just have to free myself, lose myself. And then I met you. Even when I tried to be all formal, not to, make you feel welcomed, something in me keeps telling me that there is something spectacular about this person.
Your kind words has impaired my speech. I've lost words. I don't even know what to say anymore.
You don't need to say more. God has blessed the day we met. Our meeting was a divine orchestration and not a mere coincidence. Your light has shone through our path. You're a divine blessing to me. All my expectations, both in business, both in development, has always been positive since I met you. I've seen increase in everything. It shows blessing.
Love you.
Promise. Look at me. I will make all those pains disappear from your archives forever. I love you.
I love you more. I love you more.
Baby, I don't understand the kind of graduates we are producing these days. If you see this girl, she's beautiful, no doubt, but with an empty skull. Nothing to show for it. Especially the female graduates.
What happened, babe?
There's this girl that submitted her CV. No doubt she has excellent results. But if you ask her a simple question, interview, she couldn't even answer. She couldn't even defend the excellent results she has. It's annoying.
Now I know why you're angry. No, don't be too angry, baby.
All she does is smile, thinking that her beauty will save her from. I mean, it's annoying.
It's okay, baby. I understand where you're headed. Actually, a classmate of mine is like that. You wouldn't blame them. Everyone isn't intelligent, okay?
Well, my love, I don't think so. I think it has to do with being serious with your studies. It's not just sleeping around with lecturers thinking that...
Oh, baby, what are you saying?
It's obvious. That's what she did.
She paid her way through school?
Of course, that's what she did. Or maybe, I don't know.
Come on, my love, it's fine.